Today, you shall learn the secrets behind Wi-Fi. From the magic in your living room to the science of radio waves, how your phone connects, why passwords matter, and what the wireless future holds. Get ready for a fun, fast, and fascinating journey into the invisible world that powers your life. Picture this. You're stretched out on your couch, streaming a 4K cat video on your phone. No cables, no waiting, just instant, seamless internet at your fingertips. It almost feels like magic, conjuring up entertainment out of thin air. But this isn't magic. It's the marvel of modern engineering, happening in your living room every day. Invisible signals connect your phone, laptop, TV, and smart lights, all without a single wire. These signals keep your devices talking to each other and the world beyond your walls. This wireless network is the backbone of our digital lives, powering everything from streaming movies to working from home. But how does it work? What's really happening when you tap play on a video? In a split second, your device sends a request. Data travels across the world, returns to your router, and beams to your screen, so fast you barely notice. Let's pull back the curtain and demystify Wi-Fi. No jargon, just the basics, explained simply. By the end, you'll know exactly what's happening when you connect, and maybe even impress your friends. This is the story of Wi-Fi, a technology that's changed the way we live, work, and connect. Wi-Fi is a catchy name for a technology called EE 800 and 2.11, a set of standards that lets devices talk to each other wirelessly. It's not the internet itself, it's the wireless bridge that connects your devices to the internet, so you can access everything online without plugging in. Think of the internet as a city's water supply, and Wi-Fi as the plumbing that brings it to every room, without running pipes everywhere. Before Wi-Fi, you had to be plugged in with an Ethernet cable, no streaming in bed, no working in the backyard, and sharing was a hassle. Wi-Fi changed everything, making our devices portable and our homes seamlessly connected. Now, everyone can be online at once, anywhere in the house. We expect to be online everywhere all the time, thanks to this invisible bubble of connectivity. But remember, Wi-Fi isn't the internet. It's the tech that lets your devices access the internet wirelessly, but it needs a connection to the wider web. So Wi-Fi is the unsung hero that lets your gadgets tap into the digital world. No wires, just instant access. That's the power of Wi-Fi, quietly working in the background to keep us all connected. So how does this invisible magic actually work? Let's find out. So, how does Wi-Fi send information through the air? It's all about radio waves. Wi-Fi uses specific frequencies, mainly 2.4 and 5 GHz, like different lanes on a highway. The 2.4 GHz band travels farther and through walls, but it's slower and crowded. The 5 GHz band is faster, less crowded, but doesn't go as far. Modern routers use both, giving you range and speed. Your device has a tiny radio inside. When you load a web page, it turns your request into a radio signal and sends it to the router. The router decodes it, fetches the data from the internet, and beams it back. This back and forth happens hundreds of times per second, creating a seamless browsing experience. It's a high-speed, invisible conversation in the language of radio waves. That's the magic behind your Wi-Fi connection. Next, let's meet the conductor of this wireless orchestra, your router. The router is the heart of your home network, the conductor of your Wi-Fi symphony. It's the unsung hero that keeps your digital world connected, working tirelessly in the background while you stream, scroll, and share. It connects to the internet via a cable, then transforms that connection into a wireless signal for your devices. This invisible web of connectivity lets you move freely around your home, untethered by wires. But it's more than just an antenna. It's the central hub that brings your family's digital lives together, no matter how many devices you have. It's a traffic cop, managing all the data flowing between your gadgets and the internet. Every message, video, or game request passes through this tiny powerhouse. Imagine your laptop streaming, your phone scrolling, your TV playing, all at once. The router keeps everything in sync, so everyone gets what they need without interruption. The router juggles these requests, making sure each device gets the right data. It's like a skilled air traffic controller, preventing digital collisions and slowdowns. It assigns a unique IP address to every device like a mailing address, so your emails don't end up on your TV. Each device gets its own digital identity in your home. When you click a link, the router knows exactly which device to send the data to. It's always listening, always ready to deliver your information instantly. It's a mini computer, constantly routing traffic, assigning addresses and broadcasting signals. All this happens in real time, every second of every day. If your Wi-Fi is slow, the router is often the culprit. A quick restart can work wonders. Sometimes it just needs a moment to catch its breath and get back on track. So that blinking box is the hard-working heart of your connected home. It's always on, always working, even when you don't notice it. It keeps everything running smoothly, quietly powering your digital life. Without it, your smart home would come to a standstill. Next, let's see how your phone actually joins the network. The process is more fascinating than you might think. It's all about a digital handshake. Here's how it works. Your phone's Wi-Fi radio scans for networks, listening for beacon signals from routers. When you pick a network, your phone asks to join. If there's a password, the router challenges your device to prove it belongs. You enter the password, your phone encrypts it, and sends it back. If it matches, the router lets you in and assigns your phone a unique IP address. Now, your phone is officially part of the network, free to send and receive data. Even when you're not using the internet, your phone and router keep talking to maintain a stable connection. If you move around, they adjust the speed to keep you connected. All this happens in the background, giving you that simple Wi-Fi icon at the top of your screen. That's the secret handshake. Fast, secure, and seamless. Think of Wi-Fi like a pair of supercharged walkie-talkies. Old walkie-talkies could only talk one way at a time. Wi-Fi lets devices talk and listen simultaneously. This full duplex communication means your phone can request a video and receive it at the same time, making everything faster. Routers can juggle conversations with dozens of devices at once, switching between them thousands of times per second. To each device, it feels like it has the router's full attention. Wi-Fi also translates digital data into complex radio waves, a process called modulation. Your device catches these waves and turns them back into the original ones and zeros. It's a secret, high-speed language that makes streaming, gaming, and browsing possible. So while Wi-Fi uses the same basic principle as a walkie-talkie, it's infinitely smarter and faster. That's how your home becomes a hub of wireless activity. But with all this data flying around, how do you keep it safe? Let's talk security. Your Wi-Fi signal doesn't stop at your walls. It can be picked up by neighbors or people on the street. An open network is like leaving your front door wide open. Anyone nearby could use your internet or worse, access your devices and data. That's why passwords and encryption are essential. Setting a strong password activates encryption, scrambling your data so only trusted devices can read it. Even if someone intercepts your signal, all they see is gibberish. Use a long, unique password with letters, numbers, and symbols. It's your digital bouncer. Only devices with the right password can join your network party. This keeps your data safe and your connection secure. Security is non-negotiable in a wireless world. Wi-Fi keeps evolving, getting faster and smarter with each generation. You might see names like Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 6, or the latest Wi-Fi 7. Wi-Fi 6 brought huge improvements, faster speeds and better handling of lots of devices at once. It can split a channel into smaller sub-channels, letting your router talk to many devices simultaneously. Now, Wi-Fi 7 is here, promising even higher speeds, lower lag, and rock-solid reliability. It can use multiple frequency bands at once, combining their power for a super-fast connection. This is crucial for things like virtual reality and smart homes packed with connected devices. The goal? Wireless that's as fast and reliable as a cable. Every year, we get closer to a world where wires are obsolete. The future is wireless, and it's only getting faster. Next, let's see what's left to cut. There's one more cord to go. So, Wi-Fi isn't magic. It's brilliant engineering using radio waves to connect our world. It's the invisible utility that powers our lives, as essential as electricity or water. Now you know why your signal drops in the basement, or why a strong password matters. The best technology fades into the background, quietly making life easier. But there's still one more cord to cut, the ones connecting your accessories, like your mouse, keyboard, or headphones. These use a different wireless tech, Bluetooth. Bluetooth is designed for short-range, low-power connections, perfect for gadgets and accessories. How does your phone pair with your car or your earbuds? That's the next mystery. Next time, we'll dive into Bluetooth and how it connects your favorite devices. Stay tuned.